everyone, today we are going to be making Rainbow Rice Krispie Treats. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, 1 bag of mini marshmallows, 1/4 a cup of rainbow sprinkles, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So our first step is going to be to get a large saucepan and put it on your burner to medium heat, and we're going to melt our butter. So Frida, you can hand me the butter. Pour that in there, and our burner's already going, so it's gonna be melting pretty quickly. And once the butter is melted, we will be adding our 1 bag of mini marshmallows. And just keep that stirring going. It's gonna get a little sticky, but keep this motion going. After our marshmallows, we're gonna add our vanilla extract. Perfect. And just keep that stirring going, still on medium heat. It's gonna start to smell really good. Might take a second for all of them to melt. You want to be able to see they're not the marshmallow shape anymore. It turns more into a white paste. Okay, and then after your marshmallows look like this, you're gonna be adding your 6 cups of rice cereal. So you can add this. And it's helpful to have another person helping you so you can continue stirring while the crispy rice cereal is being poured in. And it's also helpful to have a large saucepan so you can have lots of space to stir so you don't make a big mess. And you'll see the crispy rice cereal is combining with the melted marshmallows. And that happens pretty quickly. And after it is fully combined, as you can see here, you're gonna take your saucepan off heat, and then we will add our final touch of our rainbow sprinkles. And the rainbow sprinkles are, of course, optional, but they definitely make them look more fun. So keep mixing it together, ensure that the sprinkles are fully combined with your Rice Krispie mix. And because there is so much butter in this mixture, you won't need to spray your pan. So make sure it's fully mixed together. And then we will set that aside to cool for a little bit before we press it into our Pyrex dish. And as I said before, this recipe is often easiest to make with 2 people, just because it's gonna make it a little bit easier to transfer to our pan. So Frida is going to dump the mixture, spoon it out, and kind of spread it around our pan. And a helpful hack is to get a piece of parchment paper and press it down like so, just to make sure it gets evenly spread out over your pan. And these are our Rainbow Rice Krispie Treats. You don't eat them hot, so you'll put them in the fridge for about an hour, and then they'll be good to eat.